You will need a sewing machine, pins, something to cut with, fabric, and batting. If you don't have Insul batting, you can also use cotton batting. Don't forget the matching thread. Cut your squares to your size preference. I cut mine 5x5. You're going to need 2 of each, 2 tops, 2 bottoms, and 2 batting pieces. I used a cardboard square as a guide. Now that you have your squares cut, let's put them together. Put the shiny side up. Place the top fabric piece next. Place the bottom fabric facing the right side in. You can go ahead and pin all 4 edges together. Repeat the steps for your other piece. Now that your pieces are pinned together, let's sew them up. Start from the bottom so you can finish on the top area. Before you pivot the corner, make sure your needle is down. That way you don't lose your placement. Don't forget to leave an opening in the middle. This is where you will flip your coaster to the right side. Cut the corners at an angle, so when you flip it to the right side, it will not be bulky. You can cut the excessive batting if you want. Make sure you don't flip it through the batting side. Flip it through the 2 fabrics facing each other. Pin the opening together and sew it as close as possible to the edge. I don't like how my corners are still bulky. I'm going to fix them a little more. Okay, now I can pin it. Make sure it's nice and straight from both front and back. If it's not straight, you will not sew both pieces together. Sew across the opening side as close as possible to the edge. You don't have to, but I will be sewing mine all around. I have matching threads for the top and bottom. Switch your needle position closest to the right if you can. The pink thread looks good. This is the finished coaster.